We're back at it again. It's a Sunday. It's going to be a hot one again. I think they're talking 39 degrees Celsius. Yeah. Glad I'm in my little air-conditioned bungalow or my garage. Anyway, what are we going to talk about today? I was going to be looking at something to do with more scheduled tasks. I have been running some scheduled tasks previously, which is just, daily news updates and things like that. So I'd have to go searching, puts it in front of me every day. Well, why not do another one? The one I've been working with works quite well. So what I'm talking about, let's have a look. We're over in Gemini. Where are we? Gemini. Yeah. So we have, this daily news runs for us every day, and basically it just summarizes what's going on. And I've, all well and good. I've been quite happy with that. Just gives me what's important. I wanted to do one that had the Thai focus. So, okay, I went over here to chatgpt, which is where I made the original prompt. Well, this one here is using that prompt there. So run this daily news.txt. This is one of my prompts. And if I do that and come over here, I do have my prompts, my daily news, and I've actually asked chatgpt to make a daily news for Thailand. So, okay, we know what we're doing, Thailand-focused. I went through the process and so said, here we go. There's the scrolling right up. Here's the daily scan. We do this. You perform this structured thing. Okay. And okay. I sort of said, right, that's what we asked it to do. Can we schedule it? And I said, run this task at 8:30 a.m. Okay. Okay. We'd run it again out of, and I asked, had it been scheduled? Just the thing, the system indicates, she can read it out for me.
The system indicates a request was previously logged to schedule the scan for 8 a.m., but there is no confirmation of a recurring automation for 8:30 a.m. As an AI, I cannot natively schedule myself to push a notification or run a task at a specific time every day without an external trigger or a specific integration. To ensure this runs at 8:30 a.m., you would typically need to prompt me at that time or set a recurring reminder in your calendar or a task manager to trigger the request. Worth it.
Okay. Well, what I've done, so I already have this one here daily. So I'm trying to get a new one into this particular location here for, running at 8:30 a.m. This is what I want to do. All I did to create this one was primarily dropped, I think we even has right at the beginning. What I did, I never changed it, right to the bottom, right to the, so we go right to the top of the thread. I don't know if it goes right to the top of the thread or not, but if we go right up to the top of the thread, there we go. This is my daily news in just prompt I've used to check GPT. Even the English was bad. There's the instructions, and it comes around. Okay. Daily scan today. Yes, no problem. And then it's been running ever since. That's right. Thinking. Okay. So and then I got there. So after 3 days or 2 days, it starts doing it at 8 a.m. So it probably didn't happen the first day. I didn't know it could schedule it. Maybe that's the problem. But ever since then, it's been running. It was the 23rd of February, so it's been running since the 23rd of February. So it's been doing its necessary things, and it's it. I can see it in the scheduled task. So what's going on? I don't know. So I did I get around to asking the question? She said your frustration has been says basically just insisted it could not make it. Well, even gave me a prompt. I then tried that prompt. Established, he actually said established schedule.
Established scheduled action for 8:30 a.m. daily, initiating the first run of the daily scan Thailand focus based on the structural criteria in dailythainews.txt. Daily.
So it says it's done it. That's the last thing I did, but I still cannot see it. Refresh the page. Oh, sorry, it is not there. So what did I do wrong? Anyway, so initially I thought, well, let's solve this one. I'm not going to put it in perplexity. I don't think perplexity is really designed for that. Maybe it is, but I've got a free account. I'm still evaluating Perplexity. So the one I'm trying to move to or try to get side by side is Claude. So I came over here, did exactly the same thing, daily Thai news, create a scheduled task every day at 8:30 a.m. to run this. And of course, I'll acknowledge receipt.
Acknowledged capability limitations and considered alternative solutions. That's a solid workflow idea, but I need to be straight with you. I can't create scheduled actions.
Can't create them. Okay, that's fair enough. I'm not too worried the fact that they can't create them. The real problem is the fact that I did have one created in Gemini, can't create one again. Well, not quite a month, maybe a month later, can't create one now. Don't know how to create one. But then I thought, okay, well, let's come over here. I did have my scheduled tasks here as well. Went straight over to chatgpt. Daily news, I used this prompt to summarize, and Thailand-focused, blah, blah, blah. She wrote the prompt out for me. Then, of course, I came up here and scheduled action setup. I said, okay, there we go. Ding, create a scheduled task, which is what I actually do.
Locked in. I'll run your daily scan Thailand focus every morning at 8:30 using your spec from Daily Thai News. If you want later, we can tighten it further, like adding a red flag alert layer when something actually moves the needle.
Yeah, so everything's now running again. So I got to ask the question, so like, is this sort of expected behavior? Something works one day and then doesn't work the next. This is what I'm finding most frustrating. Trying to, like I said, I could be off in rabbit holes doing little projects and everything else and completely shutting myself off to the world, but that's not what everyday people are going to be doing with everyday AI. So I'm now sitting there wondering, how do you frame the everyday AI when the everyday AI seems to change every day? This is probably one of the most frustrating things that I'm encountering, trying to build a small channel around an ever-changing goalpost. Anyway, I suppose we're here for the fun and games that we're going to be having, so this is what we're sort of seeing. Scheduled tasks, they might be something that you have to play with on different platforms. And as I said, I could be doing agents, I could be running off into rabbit holes, building agents, building things on my Synology over here, getting things running on that in the background, doing all sorts of weird and wonderful little projects, but the average person's not going to be doing that. What I'm trying to do here, and again, locking it in my head for one, focusing on what you can do as a regular person just using the internet for their average daily ingest of news and what's going on with the world and what can I do, how can I engage with my social media in a better way, just the sort of stuff that a normal person might do with an AI. They're not going to, the average person is not going to be writing code or going out and sort of getting a new job as the head honcho of, the latest AI lab. The everyday person is going to sit there and just basically sort of say, well, how do I cook an egg, and I'm trying to work a way to frame that as well in this sort of video series. So stick around. Just wanted to get that one out today. I had another one I was going to do as well, but this one here was sticking in my head. How do you lock in a task if, it works one day and doesn't work the next? What did I do wrong? Is this me? Is this me just not following the bouncing ball, or is the bouncing ball just bouncing too fast? This is the real challenges. I think we've got to face that together. Anyway, thanks for sticking with us. Peace out. A special thank you to our membership as well, who I hope are watching these. Why else would they be part of my membership? Anyway, peace out. We're out here and we'll catch up with you next time. Bye for now.